So in the previous section, we finished installing our Power BI desktop and familiarized with the Power BI workspace. And now we are ready to connect to the ever-expanding world of data. As I mentioned earlier, you can connect to different types of data using Power BI. These can range from your basic data sources like Microsoft Excel to your online data like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, etc. Now let me show you how to connect. So in the home ribbon, click on Get Data. Here you can choose from different data sources to which you can connect your Power BI desktop. The list you see here are my recent selections. Now instead of choosing any of these options, if I click on More, you will land upon this window. Now on the left hand side you can see different options. So if you go to All, you will be able to see all type of data sources that you can connect to. Now under the All option, you can see these data sources grouped in different types of categories like file, database and all. Now from that, if you go to the first option, that is file, you can see the different file formats that Power BI desktop supports. So you can very easily connect to files with these extensions. So just select your file format, be it Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, and just click on Connect. I'll show you in a while how to connect to these file formats. So these are the available file formats which is supported by Power BI. Now let's go to the next option, which is database. So here you can see the wide array of database options that Power BI supports. So if you have worked on Oracle database or SQL Server or HANA, so you can see all the options available over here. But when you connect to any of these database sources, you should have your credentials for that. So you should have your login ID and password to connect to that particular database. So with that, you can very easily connect your Power BI to your database. The next one is Power Platform. So Power BI is providing you with some space where you can store your data. So you can store your data on this platform and directly connect your Power BI to your data resources. The next one is Azure. It's a Microsoft product. It's a cloud-based program. So with Azure, we can easily connect to Power BI. All you need to have is your Azure login credentials. So with your login ID and password, you can directly connect to it. So you can see different Azure services provided here and you can easily connect to that. Now the next question is, will Power BI support a third-party tool? The answer is yes. For that, you have to go to the next option, which is online services. Here you can see that you can connect to Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, etc. So you can see that on a single platform, we can connect to both Microsoft and other third-party tools. GitHub, Smartsheet, MailChimp, so many options are available for you to connect to. So while staying within Power BI, you can easily connect to all these online data. Apart from these online services, we have other options as well. Let me show you. With web option, I can get online data from any URL. If you have a knowledge of R script or Python script, you can get data using that as well. So with Power BI, it has become very easy. You can just type your script and fetch the information that you need into Power BI. So with all these options, you can easily fetch your data into Power BI. So I can say that almost all the data sources that you are looking at for connecting your data is available here. And you can make use of these to connect that data to your Power BI. So now that we have seen the different data sources and formats that you can connect to, in the next segment, let's look at how to actually connect your data to Power BI.